Karthik Verma and I enrolled in this summer code camp 2023 organized by Floxus. When I saw this code camp, I thought not so good and all that. But when they came to my school to present their data and how they would teach us, I saw how good it is, and then I asked my father to enroll in that. Our father was like, okay, no problem. It was a fun week, 3 weeks time too. It was not pastime, and because I could use it as a career institution also. It was very useful. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shashwat Tripathi. I enrolled in this summer camp presented by Floxus. When I came here to get my admission, I thought it would be something okay. But when I came here to start designing or practice designing, it was a wonderful experience for me. I got some extra knowledge. So thank you Floxus.
Hello, my name is Aman Prashad. I am in standard 7th from OP General School. I registered in Floxus and I learned here how to develop games like Flappy Bird, Snake Game, Tic-Tac-Toe, etc. I have made here very friends. Thank you, Floxus. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mehak Sineja. I enrolled in summer code camp which was organized in the year 2023, and I opted designing, and I learned many exciting, interesting things about it, like glass morphism, app designing, poster designing, etc. And the experience was amazing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Aksha Pandey, studying in class 6 of St. Anthony's School. I enrolled in Python game development in this code camp. I learned a lot of new things. The teachers were amazing and very helpful. I learned to make a lot of games and explore new things. The one game which I really liked was Flappy Bird, in which we had to tap the bird and it would fly. I learned to make it and it was very nice. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Adeshri of class 7 from St. Francis School, Ranchi. I enrolled in game development with Python and in the code camp. It was very interesting. I learned so many new things. There were so many new things which I never really explored. We made many kinds of games such as the Flappy Bird game, the Snake games, and one and all, the most interesting game which I really liked was the AI robot one. Like whatever you typed in that game, it just said just that, and it was very interesting. The teachers were very helpful with me. They were so kind and generous that I really enjoyed this code camp. Thank you Floxus for organizing this code camp, and which helped me a lot to learn.